This particular meeting was also attended by folks from the InCommon US Federation that all came together to talk about ways that InCommon could spawn out within the US state-based federations. And in the past year, that group has been putting together pilot projects around Identity Federation, and the meeting in February 2014 was a one-year touch point to look at some of those use cases and the progress that they had made within the year. Some of those discussions actually extend down to K-12 use cases, where they're trying to, in some state cases, extend federation opportunities down into the K-12 level. So that's very exciting, and I met a lot of people down in the US there that have some very progressive projects going on in that regard. Also, too, one of the things that came out of that in terms of meeting with some of the InCommon representatives is that they've put together some model business cases that can chart progress forward in a business context, too. So we had a lot of really good takeaways from that meeting. As we've seen in Wendy's presentation, the division of roles and responsibilities throughout that stack, I re-reflect some of those here. Certainly regionally, we've got a BC-specific privacy focus, and we need to tailor what we're doing in the context of that BC privacy and compliance legislation that we have to meet with. What we see the EduTrust project is delivering is some regional implementation guidance to help our members join into the Federation. And what we've proposed and what we're going to be proposing in the project is something along the lines of a Federation Services Unit that has more dedicated staffing to help with this process. As mentioned before, some of us have stood up some of the Federation pieces and parts in terms of an edge of desk context, and